Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of NotebookLM and Torbo AI. One is backed by Google and focuses heavily on research, document analysis, and turning information into intelligent summaries, while the other is built more for fast-paced studying, lecture capture, flashcards, quizzes, and interactive learning. So in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know before choosing between them. Let's get started. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research assistant built around the idea of grounded AI. Instead of giving random AI answers from the internet, NotebookLM focuses specifically on the sources you upload yourself. That means you can upload PDFs, lecture notes, Google Docs, websites, YouTube transcripts, research papers, presentations, and even audio files, and the AI becomes an expert specifically on your material. This is what makes NotebookLM very different from traditional AI chatbots. Instead of asking broad questions like you would with ChatGPT or Gemini, NotebookLM is designed more like a personal research brain. You feed it your information and it helps you organize, summarize, explain, and interact with it. So NotebookLM is no longer just a note-taking tool. It's becoming more like a complete AI workspace for research, studying, and knowledge management. Now let's talk about Torbo AI. Torbo AI takes a different approach. Torbo AI focuses much more on speed, productivity, and student-friendly learning workflows. The platform is designed to quickly transform audio recordings, lectures, videos, documents, presentations, and voice notes into structured notes, quizzes, flashcards, and study materials. And honestly, Torbo AI feels more modern and social in its design philosophy. Now let us talk about the main features of both. For NotebookLM, source-grounded AI. This is arguably NotebookLM's biggest advantage. The AI works primarily from your uploaded sources instead of pulling random information from the web. That reduces hallucinations and makes the answers more reliable for studying and research. Audio overviews. NotebookLM can turn your documents into podcast-style audio discussions. This feature became extremely popular because it allows users to literally listen to their notes while walking, driving, or exercising. 3. Deep research tools. NotebookLM is built for handling large amounts of information. You can upload dozens of documents into one notebook and ask the AI to synthesize everything into a single explanation or report. Flashcard and quizzes. Google recently expanded NotebookLM with AI-generated study tools like quizzes and flashcards, making it more competitive against student-focused apps. Multi-format output. NotebookLM can generate summaries, timelines, study guides, podcasts, videos, reports, and presentations from the same source materials. Now, let's talk about the features of Torbo AI. AI lecture recording. Torbo AI is heavily optimized for recording lectures and instantly turning them into organized notes. Editable AI notes. Unlike many AI note apps that create static summaries, Torbo AI allows users to actively edit and improve generated notes. Flashcards and quiz generation. This is one of Torbo AI's strongest areas, and the app automatically turns notes into study tools almost instantly. AI chat with notes. You can directly chat with your notes to better understand concepts, ask follow-up questions, and simplify information. Real-time collaboration. Torbo AI supports collaborative note editing and sharing, making it useful for group studying and teamwork. And cross-platform syncing. The app syncs across different devices, so you can get your notes and it's easy to continue studying anywhere. What about the pricing? Currently, there are 4 plans on the NotebookLM. There's the regular NotebookLM with limits. There's the NotebookLM in Plus, in Pro, and in Ultra. And definitely the subscription goes higher as you go higher. There's also NotebookLM for organizations. There's one for business, there's education, and enterprise. And for Torbo AI, you can also enjoy the free plan, start studying for free, and eventually you upgrade to the paid plan. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We'll start with the pros. For NotebookLM, it's extremely powerful for research. Source-based AI answers feel more reliable and it's excellent for academic work. And the pros of using Turbo AI? Very beginner friendly, is also excellent for students, and has interactive study tools. How about the cons? For NotebookLM, it can feel overwhelming for casual users, and the organization tools still have limitations according to some users. Some of the advanced features that have been mentioned require paid Google AI plans. And the currents of Turbo AI? Some premium features are also locked behind subscriptions, and it is more optimized for studying than for professional research. So here's the big question: which app is actually worth switching to? The answer depends really on the kind of user that you are. If you are a researcher, a student handling massive reading materials, a writer, or a knowledge worker, then NotebookLM is probably the stronger choice. But on the other hand, if you are a college student, someone attending lots of lectures, a fast learner, or someone who wants quizzes and flashcards instantly, then Turbo AI may feel better for use day to day. And that's it on the comparison of NotebookLM and Turbo AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Obsidian, Notion AI, and Mem. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.